Hi friends, if you're watching this video, it means two things. Number one, you are good in photography and you have searched online how to earn from photography. Okay, and you have just discovered about stock photography, but you have not started. Number two, you have already started stock photography, just started, uploaded few photos, but you are not getting any sales. And you have read multiple articles that states, is stock photography dead in 2022? Is it too late to start stock photography in 2022? Are the markets too much saturated? Today in this video I'll be answering all those questions and we will finally reach an answer. Is it too late to start stock photography now? So let's get started. So let's answer these questions one by one. Is market truly saturated? Yes. Is it late? Are you late in the game in 2022? If you are starting, are you late in the game? Yes. And previously, stock photography was a very viable profession. You could earn a lot of money. Now the earnings have drastically reduced. Is it true? Yes. So that being said, in so much negativity, the answer to the final question, is stock photography dead in 2022? Or isn't it worth to stop stock photography in 2020 or even not even start stock photography in 2022? The answer is a big no. It means yes, definitely you should start stock photography in 2022 and it is never late to start stock photography in 2022. Let me tell you why. You see, the same logic applies to whenever you are starting after somebody. The one who started 1 year or 2 years before you has got a very good lead, right? And yes, he created something which cannot be replicated. You cannot create the same thing. So the more late you are starting all this thing, whether it is stock photography, stock video, graphic design, icon design, t-shirt design, everything, if you start late, something has already been created and you cannot create that. So how is it worth? It is always worth when you are creative, you have got the vision and you can create something new. If you are creating something new, it is never too late. No matter if you create something new in 2030, 2050, it will still sell like a hotcake. And what if you don't have that creativity, you take an inspiration from others' work? Yes, definitely you can take an inspiration, but still you have to have that unique touch. If you don't have any creativity at all, it is better not to have photography at all, because photography is all about creating something new from your perspective which others can't see. Okay, we can see everything anywhere, but creating something in a unique angle is your own talent, right? So if you have got talent, if you can create something new, your files will definitely sell. It is always worth starting in 2022 or whenever you are watching this video. To answer the next query, are the markets too saturated? I have already discussed in brief. See, yes, the answer is yes, market is saturated. But you know, the same thing was applicable in 2019, 2018, 2017. Whenever you are in the game, it is already late. The one who started in 2005, maybe they got a virgin market, or to say there was nothing. Whatever you clicked was something new, right? But today is not the case. However, I read the same article in 2019, 2020. They told stock photography is dead. When you go in Facebook groups, they will all cry that okay, it was so much good back then, now it is not worth it, we are not earning anything. But trust me, something new will always creep up. For example, in 2020, pandemic came, COVID came. The ones who had photos of hand wash and social distancing, anything related to that, their portfolios were blown out. They got hundreds and thousands of dollars sales, me included. I exploited those things, and even you need to stay on track and keep track of what is coming. For example, I already made a video few days back. Qatar World Cup is coming, so if you make videos regarding any soccer game, any Qatar theme, it will sell like hotcake. Recently you heard MBBS students from Ukraine got deported to India due to Ukraine war, right? Russia-Ukraine war. So anything related to those themes would have sold a lot. So you just need to be on your toes regarding current affairs. You need to predict what is coming. Any cricket World Cup is coming, IPL is coming. Before that, you need to create such content so that it sells a lot. I hope you got my point. Lots of subscribers ask me, sir, I work on icons and this type of icon is already there. Lot of such icon is already there. So what if I upload the same thing? Will I get copyright issues? Definitely yes. If you upload the exact same thing, you will get copyright issue. If you upload the exact same thing, why will your file sell? Because the already best sellers will get suggested in the website pages, right? But two things: if you have got creativity inside you, if you can create something new, definitely your files will sell. And if you can predict what is coming, if you can stay ahead of the market, means the trend, ahead of the trend, if you can upload something today which will be trending tomorrow, then your files will always sell. And this will apply to even 10-15 years ahead of if you're watching this video. So the final answer to the question, is it too late to start stock photography? Definitely no. Remember, if you don't start at all, the files will simply remain in your hard drive and you will earn nothing, right? But if you are doing it for fun, for passive income, just focus on your content, focus on the trend and upload regularly, and I can guarantee you that your files will start selling. You can visit my community page. I post every day, I keep posting every day. Lots of subscribers who comments, they have got their first sale, they got their first payout, and those are what that motivates me, and I post them because that should always motivate if you're starting out new in this game. All right, so if you have liked this video, please type the code word success in the comment section. I will know you're watching this video till now. If you want to be part of the Facebook community, the link to that is already in the description. And if you have not signed up yet in any stock photography agency, please feel free to look into the video description. Lot of referral links are there. You can also sign up using those links. Start your account, upload photos, and wait for your luck to click, and you can get some very decent sales. Anyway guys, thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video. Till then, bye and take care.